evening, everybody. Welcome. This here is Boom City Breaks, and it is Sunday, April the 15th. Tonight we are breaking Boom Box Head Neckers, and it is a 2-box break in which we did random team sales for. You can see just to the left there. We've already randomized the teams, randomized the customers, alphabetized the customers. That way it bunches everybody with multiple entries together. Makes it easier when they're trading. All the trades have been entered. Here we go. Let's just roll our dice real quick. 10. Box ain't going nowhere. I just need a tad bit of room to maneuver box 1. Oh, I'll kill my damn self. That silky in. I have no clue. Boom! Well, one of the teams nobody wanted there, Mr. AJ Green, and one of the filler teams. If I am not mistaken, yes sir, that is an AJ. Also, is a speed version of the helmet. Don't forget, guys, always check your lids for your certifications. Oh, wow, it's actually really nice. Yeah, like I said, you know, I'm not a fan of when they cut the stickers off too much, but I'd rather have them cut the front one off than the back one. I think the back one just takes too much away. But it's got a great AJ Green speed version of that helmet. I know that was one of the filler teams. Who is Cincinnati? Mr. JT, bud. It's gonna be a JT hit. Pretty sure that was a filler team, right? Yeah. Well, I saw the logo, so I know I'm a happy guy. Boom! Gonna be a Raider Nation hit, folks. Let's see what we got, though. That is gonna be Mr. Bo Jackson. Got a great sig on it. Beckett certification. Beautiful Bo Jackson, boy, that's got a monster sig on it, guys. Look at that thing. Got a big old Raider sig for the Raider Nation as the Bo Jackson hologram, as well as the Beckett certification. Mr. Big DP gonna take home Bo. And Bo knows your girlfriend. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up that 2-boxer. We're going to reline that just in 1 minute. Y'all have a good one. You want to join the bunch? 7 nights a week, 8 p.m. Central. YouTube, Facebook, Breakers.tv, Boom City Breaks. Y'all have a good one.